Hey guys, what's up? How was your Monday? I hope everyone is having a good day. It's just been really busy today. So these boxes are going to be Boxycharm, my June boxes, premium and base. I untaped them already. So let's see what we have. I don't know if I want to do a try on. I really do, but I don't know. Don't have a lot of time. So this is the base box. It's Boxycharm Express Yourself. It's kind of like folded really bad. But yeah, here it is. Looks like we have some goodies. Let's see. Let's do this tubey. Dr. Brandt. This is Blacklight Primer Base Lumiere. This is Prime Blur Glow. Cool. Dr. Brandt is actually a really expensive brand. So this is $38. Doesn't have like a seal thing, so I don't know. So $38 for this tube. All right. This looks like an eyeliner. I feel like I've been getting a lot of eyeliners in my subscriptions. But this is Beauty Volte. I don't know. It's $18. There's the thing here. I don't know why I've been getting a lot of eyeliners. It looks like it's a black shade. It does not say, but cool. This is lip injection. Oh, Too Faced. Maximum lip plumper. I don't think I've ever really owned anything from Too Faced that is like lip plumper or anything. I mean, that's cool. I'm glad that I have it. How do you open it? Oh, there we go. Smells like candy. So yeah, I've never tried lip plumpers before. I mean, I do have a couple. I just haven't really tried them out. So this is $32. Holy cow, $32 for just a lip product? Through pharmacy, we have a lip plumper as well, and it does not cost $32. It costs way less than that. If you guys want to know how much that hours cost, I'll definitely let you know. If you guys want to see how that goes, I mean, I would definitely be able to. I'll show you all. So this is Viseart bronzer. That's cool. $30. Ooh, I like it. I like that. Comes with a little nice mirror. It looks magnetic. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. That's so awesome. All right, the next item and the last item is the Violet Voss Sunkissed Shimmer Pro Series. Violet Voss is $30. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, that's really pretty. Really pretty. So that's awesome. The Violet Voss palette is $37. Wow. Alright, let's hop into the premium. I'm excited. I totally forgot what I picked out in either of these boxes. So, I mean, I'm really excited to be able to try some of these. I think what I might do is, of course, I'm going to be unboxing these boxes, and maybe tomorrow morning when I go live on my Facebook page, maybe I will give this stuff a try as well. I mean, I do want to try to continue to use the LYS Secure Gripping Primer because I'm actually almost out. Like I have this much left, like that much. So I kind of want to use that up, but I don't know. So who knows? All right, so this is the premium box, Express Yourself. So let's go in and see what we got. I mean, the product is in here. I just, wow. Okay, so let's go and start with this. This is Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Circle Eye Cream. I definitely need some. I've been trying to like help my under eyes, but oh man, sometimes it just woof. But yeah, I will maybe just tomorrow I'll do like a whole try on with these products. Also, if you guys want to see the Lorella subscription box, it is on my TikTok. I will put my TikTok handle or username on there so you guys can look me up, and also follow me if you guys want to. I mean, I try to post there regularly. I just don't remember to post. So I just tend to forget. Ow. I poked my eyeball. It's not my day. It's not my day. Oh, I'm so tired, you guys. Oh my gosh. I even had coffee and everything, and I'm just exhausted right now. It's just insane. Okay. All right. Let's go back in. This Ren product is, holy cow, $51 for this little tube. I mean, brightening, maybe. All right, let's go with, ooh, Patrick Ta. Man, I've never tried any of his stuff, and I so want to try it. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful this is. Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara. Oh boy. Ooh, look at that wand. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think tomorrow I'll just go live on my Facebook page, Patty's Beauty Mark. If you guys want to follow that, you guys can. I will be, I don't know why I forgot it. I'm sorry, you guys. It's just, my brain is like, it's all over the place. It's a Monday. So if you guys want to see the Lorella subscription video, it is on my TikTok. I did a unboxing, and not only that, I also did a try-on haul with all the products that I had used. There's like one product that I cannot, just because it was a light. Oh, here it is. They have lights. So yeah, I mean, I tried it out, but of course these small little lights, they kind of dim down after so long you use it, after like 2 minutes. So I just stopped using it. All right, my next item, it is a cream blush. Ooh, by Dominique Cosmetics. I think I actually picked this out, so I'm excited. So Dominique Cosmetics, this thing is $22. Wow, that's pretty. Look at the shade I picked out. I'm pretty sure I picked this out. I'm pretty sure this was my thing. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Reusable eyeshadow shield. So I've seen these things around. Oh, ow. Ow. That one hurts really bad. I'm sorry. So I wonder, is it something like this? I've never used a reusable shield. under your eye while applying eye makeup. Clean with soap and water between use. Cool. So I don't know how that's gonna work really well with my eyes. I'll give it a try tomorrow morning when I go live on my Facebook page. I think I'm able to like do a full face besides like foundation and concealer, so that's fine. I have foundation and concealer. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. But yeah, the boxes didn't have like foundation or concealer, so I think I'm just gonna use like everything that I got in my boxes. And oh man, all I have Lorac is a what is it called, face palette, and that one it was actually really nice. Okay, I was gonna say, like, why doesn't this thing have a mirror? Wow, look how pretty. I don't know what eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use. Oops. Comment below, let me know which palette do you guys want to see, the Lorac palette or the Violet Voss palette. Also, I did do a what's it called? I did do a TikTok video on what eyeshadow palettes I'm going to be using for the rest of this month. Tomorrow's video does not count. Maybe I should just do a whole video right now. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know, you guys. Oh my gosh. I look like a mess. Maybe I'll just... I don't know. Oh, so that Lorac palette is $45. I did actually see I did see this as a spoiler, and I was really hoping to get this palette. I was like, oh man, I hope I get this. I hope I get this. That's so cool. They're magnetic. I can take this out. Oh man. Ooh, wow, I kind of got my finger in it, and that's a really pretty shade. Wow. Oh, I think I'm just gonna do a video tomorrow morning or something. I don't know yet. I hope you all liked this video. I hope you enjoyed all the products that I had unboxed. I'm hoping to do a live tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then I'm hoping to at least be able to give all this stuff a nice try if I can. So I'm glad that I did not get a lot of skincare. That's amazing. And yeah, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye guys.